Welcome to an introduction to the ATLA Religion Database. If you are looking for materials for your research in religious studies or theology, you will find this database to be an invaluable tool. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to follow the answering questions. What is ATLA? What kinds of resources does the ATLA Religion Database provide? How do you search for information? ATLA stands for the American Theological Library Association, which is a professional association of librarians who provide research support for students and scholars of theological and religious studies. As part of its mission, ATLA has created a highly regarded set of electronic information resources for scholars of religion and theology. Its main product is the ATLA Religion Database. If you go to the university library's list of available databases, you can search the web page using Control F and typing in ATLA. This will take you to the link for the ATLA Religion Database. The ATLA Religion Database is hosted by EBSCO and has all of the functionalities that EBSCOhost provides. It provides access not only to resources about Christianity, but also about many other religions as well. Let's take a look at the publication which the ATLA database provides access to by clicking on the Publications link at the top of the page. Checking the Subject and Description button, let's use the search term Catholic to see what publications about Catholicism are available. Our search has given us a long list of Catholic publications. If we're interested in Christianity in general, let's use the search term Christian and see what we get. Here the database has listed hundreds of magazines and journals with articles related to Christianity. We can also access journals about Judaism or Islam or Hinduism or Buddhism. Now to search for individual articles, let's go to the advanced search page. ATLA does have a basic search page, but you will not find this as useful as the advanced search page. This page has much more sophisticated tools to narrow your searches, like publication type, genre, and language. I suspect you'll be most often looking for materials written in English. Now let's say you're writing a paper on the role that food plays in Islamic culture. So here we have two search terms, Islam and food. This search generates a list of 76 articles about Islam and food. Notice that in each article's list of subjects, both Islam and food are written in bold. Or let's say you're doing research about Catholic teachings about social justice. Here we have three search terms, Catholic, teachings, and social justice. This set of 442 search results is far too large to be useful, so let's narrow it. Let's limit the search to full text, which means that we can actually get the article rather than just a citation. Scholarly peer-reviewed journals, and look only for articles published since 2000. Now we get 54 results. This is a far more manageable number of articles to look through. So let's review what we've learned. The American Theological Librarian Association has created this religion database to facilitate research about religious and theological topics. The database provides access to resources about a wide variety of religious traditions, and we know how to formulate searches which may provide information that we need. Please feel free to explore the more advanced search functions in the ATLA database. I think you'll find that if you need to do research about religious or theological topics, then the ATLA Religion Database will be your best friend.